Everyone, welcome to episode 5 of Know Your Rights. Today we're going to be talking about filming the police. So, filming the police has been a pretty big topic lately, given the various cases of police misconduct caught on video the past few years. Some notable cases include the shooting of Philando Castile and Walter Scott. So, let's get right into it. The bottom line is yes, you do have a right to film police officers. There are only a few stipulations. The first being, when you're in public spaces where you're lawfully present, you can take photographs or record things in plain view. So this includes when you're on the street or when you're in a store, for example. Obviously, when you're on private property, you need to obey the rules of whoever owns that property. And, if it's your property, you can do whatever you want. But if you disobey the rules, the owner can make you leave. And if you don't leave, you will be charged with trespassing. And you can record police officers during the execution of their official duties, such as when they're on patrol, when they're pulling someone over, or when they're arresting someone, for example. Generally speaking, police officers can't take your device or demand to see the video or photographs you've taken without a warrant, and under no circumstances can they demand for you to delete what you've taken. One big thing to remember here is that some courts might approve of police officers taking your device if they can prove that police officers have a reasonable belief that there's evidence of a crime on it that police officers didn't commit. And it's still undecided if they need a warrant to view the suspected evidence, because there's not really a precedent for it. It's just something to keep in mind when you're videotaping police officers. And the last thing is, if police officers believe you're interfering with their investigation or impeding on a crime scene, they can ask you to move away or clear the area. Generally, it's a good idea to follow their directions because they can charge you with obstructing their investigation. And the biggest thing to remember is they can't tell you to stop recording, no matter where they make you move. So, in summation, you can record police officers while they're doing their job in public, as long as you stay out of their way while you do it. And so the biggest question is, why is all this important? So, obviously, transparency is really important to democracies, being able to watch what public officials are doing. And the fact is, police officers are still public servants who should be subject to scrutiny, given their immense powers over, life and death and the law in our society. And even though police officers do still get away with many crimes they commit, it's important for citizens to be able to monitor the actions of public servants, such as police officers. Thanks for watching episode 5 of Know Your Rights, and I'll see you all next time.